Thank you for upgrading to Cooper Lighting Solutions' new Metalux CooperKit, the newest lighting solution for customers looking to efficiently upgrade their fluorescent luminaires to a high-performing LED system. This video will help guide you as you install the CooperKit, but it should not be used in lieu of your instruction manual, which includes additional and important safety information. Please read all instructions carefully, review the contents of the packaging, and locate the tools recommended to complete the installation. Prior to installation, please confirm that all power is disconnected. The first step of the retrofit kit installation is to carefully remove the existing components of the fluorescent luminaire. Open and remove the door, baffle, or cover of the existing luminaire. Remove the fluorescent tubes, wireway cover, and belly pan if present. Remove the first socket track from the housing. Then disconnect the hose ballast from the main supply and remove the ballast if space is needed. Then remove the second socket track from the housing. The existing luminaire is now ready for the CooperKit to be installed. Start the process by inserting the two end plates between the existing luminaire and T-grid. Be sure that both end plates have been inserted fully against the T-grid under the existing luminaire housing. Next, make the wiring connections between the main panel and the incoming power supply. Some fixtures will be supplied with a quick disconnect, avoiding the need for wire nuts. Next, insert the edge of the main panel between the existing luminaire and the T-grid. Be sure that the two tabs at the ends of the main panel align with the slots on the previously installed end plates. Secure it to the end plates by turning each of the fasteners 90 degrees. Then, place the retrofit warning sticker inside the existing housing. It is imperative to use the retrofit warning sticker included with the product in order to alert the end user that this luminaire will no longer operate on the originally intended lamps. Gently lift the closing panel into the existing luminaire, aligning the slots with the tabs in the main panel, and secure the closing panel to the main panel by turning each of the fasteners 90 degrees. Lastly, remove the protective LED cover and insert the lens into the tabs on one side of either panel. Once aligned, press the lens over the tabs on the opposite panel. Congratulations, you have now completed the simple and quick installation of Cooper Lighting Solutions' new Metalux CooperKit. It's time to turn the power back on and admire the architectural aesthetics and enjoy the long-lasting benefits of this high-performance LED luminaire.